Hey, it's Mr. Berdis here. Had a lot of questions about the P747 1+ inflator deflator by Ryobi. I have done a video on basic operations, but I've had the questions have been about how to use the deflating option. So we're going to go over that real quick today. Using the deflating option, you're going to use the low pressure hose. So you're going to pull that out, and the actual port for that is on the side where you actually store the actual low pressure hose. You can insert the hose into that, install your battery, just hit the mode button. So that comes up, and then you're going to change the arrow from making sure that you're not on the actual tire to the air mattress picture. So you're going to get that on there. So we're going to make sure we have that on the mode. So you're going to hit that twice, mode to turn it on, mode to get it to the air mattress. Then you're going to turn the unit on and off. And it acts just like a vacuum, and will vacuum out and collapse the air mattress or any of the pool toys or anything that you have. Once you're finished, after you have it turned off, you're going to disconnect the hose, and you're going to store your hose back in the hose holder on your unit. Disconnect your battery. And there you have it. How to use the deflator on a P747. And remember, it's low pressure hose, so you're not going to be doing this with anything but low pressure items like floaty toys for pools, air mattresses, and things like that. Always remember, dream, think, design, build, and learn. I'll see you in the shop.